Hello everybody, this is Dr. Jyoti Bandi, your IVF specialist, and today I'm going to discuss everything about PCOS because this is PCOS Awareness Month, September 2024. So one thing that I want to discuss today is that are there any potential risk or side effects when a PCOS woman undergoes IVF? While IVF is a very safe procedure, but sometimes PCOS patients can face some potential risk. So the first one is multiple births. So as you all know that in IVF we give some injections, medications so that we get multiple eggs, and that can in turn lead to multiple pregnancies. So second one is ovarian hyperstimulation syndrome, that we say OHSS. So as you all again know that in IVF we need many eggs as compared to one or two eggs in a natural cycle or in IUI cycle. So when we are obtaining to get many eggs, in that process we can get more than expected, and that can eventually cause some kind of serious complications and discomfort to the patient. And the third factor could be emotional stress, because IVF is a journey, or fertility rather, it itself is a journey. So all PCOS women, they would have undergone many treatments starting from ovulation induction, and then they would have gone multiple cycles of IUI, and eventually they're coming to IVF. So it can be an emotional burden because it is a very long journey. So these are some things that are some potential risk that PCOS women can undergo with IVF, but nowadays we have many solutions for this, and also we use the right protocols, we use the right steps so that the women does not enter into that danger zone. And also we always have to weigh the risk and the benefits and then do these treatments for our PCOS women. So if you need any help, or if you have undergone any kind of struggles, or have you faced any side effects or potential risks like this, you can share it with me, or you can inbox me and tell me about your experience. Or if you have anything related questions, you can always inbox it, and I'm free to explain it to you, or give you a good suggestion. Thank you.